In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an image inside text in Microsoft Word step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want to create eye-catching titles, custom graphics, or stylized text for posters, documents, thumbnails, or school projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to use WordArt and picture fill to make your text look like it's filled with an image. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word launches, open the document you want to work on, or create a new blank document if you want to practice this effect from scratch. This step is important because the text image effect will be added directly into your document, so make sure you're in the right file before you begin. Next, go up to the Insert tab on the top menu. The Insert tab is where Word keeps tools for adding objects, images, shapes, and the text effects. Once you click Insert, look for the WordArt option. WordArt is the feature we're going to use because it allows us to create stylized text that can be filled with a picture. Click WordArt and you'll see several different style options appear. Go ahead and choose a style that you like. You can pick a simple style or something more bold and decorative, depending on the look you want. Don't worry too much about the exact style right now because the main goal is to get the text onto the page so we can apply the image fill next. After selecting a WordArt style, type in your text. This could be a single word, a name, a heading, or a short phrase. For best results, choose text that is large enough to show the image clearly. Longer text can work too, but shorter text usually makes the image effect stand out more. Now click on the WordArt text to select it. When it's selected, you should see the formatting options appear at the top of Word. This is where the next step happens. Once the text is highlighted, go to the Shape Format tab. The Shape Format tab gives you control over the outline, fill, and style of the WordArt text. Inside Shape Format, click Shape Fill. This option lets you change what fills the inside of the text. Instead of a solid color, you're going to use a picture. From the drop-down menu, choose Picture. This tells Word that you want the fill to come from an image file rather than a plain color. Now select an image from your device. A file window will open and you can browse through your folders to find the picture you want to use. Pick an image that has enough detail and contrast to look good inside the text. Once you find the image, click Insert. Word will then apply that image inside the WordArt text automatically. At this point, your text should now appear filled with the image you chose. If the picture doesn't look exactly how you want it, don't worry. You can still adjust the size and position of the text on the page. You may also need to experiment with different images or different WordArt styles to get the effect you want. Sometimes a brighter image works better, and sometimes a more detailed image gives a stronger result. If needed, you can also resize the WordArt by dragging the corners so the image inside the text becomes more visible. You can move it around the page to place it wherever it looks best in your document. This is especially helpful if you're using the text for a title, banner, or creative design element. And that's it. You've now learned how to put an image inside text in Word using WordArt and Shape Fill. It's a simple process, but it can make your documents look much more professional and visually interesting. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy word tips, and comment below if you want to see more Microsoft Word tricks in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.